course you stop doing anything interesting as soon as I start recording.
Hello, it is Wednesday, August 16th, and I'm finally gonna do it. I'm gonna finally pick up my bike from Trek. So I just need to get the bike rack on the back of my car, get Nala ready. We do have a burly tail wagon, which can fit Nala in, and I could take her on a bike ride. And I really wanna do that, but Nala is not a big fan of it. We haven't done a really good job about training her to sit still in it and enjoy it. So it might be a lot of work for her just to get upset within the first 5 minutes of getting it set up. So I'm debating whether or not I want to bring that with me. So we'll see how easy everything is to get into the car, and I'll get back to you on whether or not I did that. But I'm going to try to make this trip a little bit more worthwhile than just going to Trek. I think I'm going to get some food and go to Altered State Brewery over there, and that opens at 5. It should be open by the time me and Nala get there. So yeah, Caitlin's still at her PMP class, so it'll just be me and the dog, so that'll be fun. That's about it. What do you have to say, Nala? Oh my gosh, yeah, you're going with me. Do you want to go on the bark wagon, tail wagon? No.
Nala and I successfully got my bike back. You can see on that rear rack. I've never put the rear rack on this car, so I'm a little bit nervous. I think I did it right. What do you think, Nala? I know, it's hot out there. I also got some Pollo Campero for dinner, so I'm gonna go to Altered State now so I can eat it and enjoy a drink when Nala should be allowed. I believe it's dog friendly last time I went there. So we'll see you there.